Here I've got HUAWEI P40 Lite, and let me show you how to create folder and album on your home screen on the following device. So if you would like to personalize your display, if you would like to a bit tidy it up and have some particular applications in one folder, all you have to do is to pick those apps. For example, if you would like to have Notepad with tips and, for example, with video in one folder, just pick one of them and hold it for a while, slide it to the second one, and as you can see, we've just made a folder 1. Then we can take video here as well, and if you would like to change the name, just hold it for a while, click on folder, and here you can change the name. So for example, let me name it Notepad. Obviously, if it would be, for example, some camera apps, then you will be able to name it, for example, Photo Fan or anything else, just whatever you want to smoothly. By tapping on Add, you can add some other shortcuts here, for example, files. And this is it. Then you can remove some particular file, some particular icon from here, the same way, smoothly catch it and then slide it to the main screen. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.